Hi, Dirk. I'm gonna give you a couple of suggestions with regarding photo uploading, and I'm gonna walk through the exact steps that I do when I'm uploading. So anyway, I use a program called Photo. It resizes hundreds of photos in minutes. Um, so nothing ever gets uploaded to my computer unless it is ran through Foto, because it um, keeps the hard drive storage a lot more free. So anyway, let me run through. So I would encourage you to use this method. Um, I've been testing on your website, and I'm trying to replicate what you're experiencing, and I can't seem to replicate it yet. I've got Warren looking into it to see, and I'm wondering if it's has to do with Picasa. But at any rate, let me share with you my steps. Okay, so after you've downloaded Foto, let's see here, where is it? After you've downloaded Foto, and this is relatively simple, it happens pretty quick. It's a pretty fast program, and I preset my size all the time because these are email friendly photos. They're just they're perfect size. Because photos are large. So at any rate, let's continue on. So I run it at 1024 times 786. The next thing I do is I go down here and I go to my pictures and I make a new folder. I'm going to call this folder Dirk. And then I open it back up. There's pictures. Getting tired. Open it back up, and this just guarantees me I look at this destination, so it says pictures Dirk, so I know it's going to the right folder. So we start. And it's going to run in there pretty quickly. And let's say if you have 1,000 photos that you've taken that day, it's going to take you a few minutes to run the program, but everything gets resized. And as you can see, it's moving along pretty quickly. If you have a good internet connection, it'll probably run a lot faster than my DSL connection. Okay. And let's say I wanted to rotate my photos. So I'm going to click on those photos, and this is my Windows Photo Viewer. I'm not using Picasa. Okay, because the Windows Photo Viewer automatically saves it when you rotate it to your computer. And I'm wondering if that might be the issue with the Picasa, is it's truly not saving your rotated photo. It appears to be rotated, but when it uploads, it's uploading the original image. So I click through my photos relatively quickly. And if I see something that needs to be rotated, just like that, I rotate it. And Windows, if you notice, watch that real quickly. Rotate it, and you'll see the word right here real quick say save. So it saved it. It's saving these photos every time you do something to them. Let's rotate that one and see if you can see it. It'll happen right there real quick. Saved. Just a quick blip. So anyway, some of the other photo programs, it'll appear to be rotated, but it really actually hasn't saved it. So when it uploads to something, it will be uploading the original photo. Okay, so once I've gone through my photos, close everything down, close, close. Then I'm going to go to my website. And I change my lot number. And I go to here, the add files, wrong files. We're going to go down here to the dirt file. And we're going to go down here and we're going to upload some photos. Actually, I'm going to go to the one that I have rotated. So you can see that when it saves it, you see, it uploaded straight. It's straight there. Save and finish. View auction. It's straight. It's straight there. Go back to list. It's straight out there. So I would suggest trying that method right there. If that method works for you, we can attribute the problem to Picasa. So let me know if this helps. I mean, I'm diligently trying to get you fixed up here. Because I know how frustrating it is if you've got problems with when you're trying to upload auctions, you're trying to do it in a timely fashion, and I'm definitely on your side with that 100%. I rotated that picture, and always, see, it's going to look like it's not been rotated. You do have to refresh that page. Refresh it, and you're good to go. But I strongly urge you, when you're gonna do your photos, when you're gonna rotate them, prior to adding them to the website, rotate them with the pictures, the Windows Photo Viewer, not Picasa, because you're guaranteed that when you do something to that image, watch right here in the middle, it saves that image. So if I go back, it's saved. So when it pulls it off this computer, it's going to pull this image. And I'm not familiar with Picasa. I downloaded it earlier and started messing around with it a little bit. Removed it from my computer, and I'm going to download it again. But I would like you to try this method. Rotate your pictures in Windows Photo Viewer, not Picasa, and see if that alleviates your problem. Then we can attribute it to the Picasa program not saving your images. Because if I go and I upload this photo, let's do it again. Go up here, add a new auction, go for the testing. We're going to go 18. I'm not sure where that was. I believe it was no, it wasn't Silverwood. That was this one. I'm going to find that photo right here. It's the one that we rotated. and it's saved. I'm going to open it up, and it's going to come up rotated. I'm going to save that guy. Save and finish. I'm going to view that auction, and it is rotated because Windows saved my photo. Okay, so I'm going to go back to list. It's looking proper out there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here to edit. I'm going to rotate it back. I'm going to save and finish that. When I look at the auction, it's not going to be rotated yet. Until I refresh the page. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit. I think the issue is with Picasa. Can't say for certain yet. This is going to help me to determine whether it is or it isn't. So anyway, try that. Go to that test auction, load an auction when you get time. I know you're busy. I'm busy. Try to get time. Do that, and let me know if that works for you. Even if you don't load the photo sizer and all that stuff yet, that's your choice. I prefer doing it that way. But just when you rotate your photos, rotate them in the Windows photo viewer. Let me give you the exact name of that thing again. I mean, it's standardly installed on your computer. The Windows photo viewer. Because when I rotate a picture, that saves it to my computer. So when I go and I turn back, it's saved. So try that for me. If you get a moment this evening, give it a try and let me know how that works for you, okay, buddy? I hope it helps, and I'll talk to you soon.